can be daunting, especially if you've never done it before. But what if you could invest as little as $100 and reap big rewards?
It's called micro-investing, and it can be done on everything from stocks to real estate. For more on this, our money man from Motley Fool, Scott Phillips, joins us. Morning to you, Scott.
Good morning, guys.
Micro-investing, so little bits of money.
That's exactly right. You know, there was a time back in the day you had to have a fortune, a stockbroker, all that kind of good stuff. The internet's brought a whole lot of changes, including the ability to invest with just as little as $100 and to add small amounts really regularly.
Who benefits the most from this, and who can get into it?
Well, you'll benefit yourself. The big winners are probably the companies who are providing these services, and the thing to watch out for is the fees. So there's a list on the screen you can see there. Real estate, a company called BrickX. Lending, you can get into peer-to-peer lending for a small amount of money. Saving, of course, carries a Roundup app. We've talked about Acorns before. You buy a coffee for $4.50, the extra 50 cents rounds up to $5, goes into a savings account. And, of course, stake.com.au, there's Robinhood, others, really low-cost brokerage. So it's really lowering the boundaries or the barriers to getting started.
So which one would you recommend then? If you've got $1,000 to invest, where would you put it?
So if you've already got the money, something like Stake or Robinhood, really low-cost investing, get started with a diversified index fund of shares. But if you're trying to get to that $1,000, something like a Roundup app like Carrots is a great way to sort of put small amounts away. All of a sudden you look back and the money's already there.
But how micro are we talking here? Like if you've got 20 cents, we've had it on the graphic there of, you know, 5, 10 and 20. If you've got 20 cents, can you do anything with it? Or you've got to be a couple of hundred?
But something like Carrot will let you put it away and add slowly. So as I said, change from your coffee every day or every week. If you get a 20 cents in change, 50 cents in change, that can go into a special savings account. At some point that becomes large enough to invest.
Yeah. But are you choosing the shares, or what are you investing in? And it rounds up, apparently, is that right?
The Carrot app does round up to an amount of money, and then it invests either for you or you can select. It normally is an index fund, and Mon said, that's basically a broad fund which takes all of the companies on the ASX and lets you invest in them all in some sort of proportion. It's an all-in-one kind of, you know, big lump of market shares you can invest in one single transaction.
OK, so Bricks or Rate Setter, how much could you get back on $100? How much can you expect?
Yeah, look, it's all time. BrickX is investing in real estate, right? So it's the real estate market. So all of these things, there are risks with investing. Be very careful with that. The rate of house price growth in the past has been fantastic. I don't know it'll be the same in future, but if you want to get started investing in property, you have to save $10, $20, $50, $100,000 of deposit, or you can put a small amount in. BrickX is a fractional ownership. It's like shares for property.
Can I just give you 20 cents and you give me 30 back?
Yeah.
Like that would be better.
Depends how long you got to wait.
That would work a lot easier for me. Thank you, Scott.